You have probably heard the phrase about having a case of the Mondays, kind of a negative connotation.
But in our case, we can't help but look forward to the start of the week, especially when it's a Mamma Mia Monday.
Oh, yeah, and we are here at the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Roma. Thanks to have
How we doing?
Good to see you
Happy
again,
New Year
sir.
to everyone.
Happy New
So
Year.
all the snow out there makes you say, Mamma Mia, it's Monday.
So what are you doing for Mamma Mia Monday?
So we're going to do a little Veal Sorrento today.
Okay.
So a lot of people have, veal, don't really mess with veal because the thing you have to do, the most important thing is to pound it thin.
Okay.
So if you buy veal at the store, usually the scallopini veal it's called, will be about like that.
Okay.
What you want to do is to get it nice tender is to put a piece of paper towel, damp paper towel on top, and pound it with. If you have one of the meat tenderizers,
Pound away.
Yeah, I like the flat ones here,
Yeah.
so it doesn't really.
It doesn't tear up the paper towel.
That's right. Also, if you are doing this, it's good to do as you get the order for it at the restaurant because when you pound it out, you dry it out. So if you do it ahead of time, it'll be a little bit dry. Anyway,
Okay.
so what we're going to do is we're going to dredge my veal in some flour.
Okay.
And at least if you don't mind cutting up the eggplant sauce that we're going to put into the veal dish.
This is a knife.
Yes, that is a knife.
That's a knife.
Make sure no fingers end up in it.
So what we're going to do here is we're just saute this veal in the frying pan, and we're going to prepare an eggplant sauce or a caponata in this other pan here to coat the veal with.
Okay, how is that?
That's perfect. You just throw that right into there. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in here. Oh yeah. You know, because we love the garlic in there.
A little bit.
Right?
That's just a little bit.
I mean, you know.
In Joe's world.
Right. So as we do the celery, just chop up kind of rustic, as we say.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to add a little capers while we do that.
Is this rustic enough?
That's rustic.
Okay. And what makes it Sorrento?
Sorrento is just the sauce, the red sauce with the fresh mozzarella on top. Kind of makes it from the region of Sorrento. So this is a northern Italian dish. Perfect. I'm going to add this a few of this to the dish here, to the frying pan.
It's looking healthy so far.
Yeah, so we do the onion the same way.
Okay. A rustic onion?
Yes, ma'am. And I'm just going to add a little basil.
I didn't put away your garlic just in case you wanted to add more.
No, I think we have There's never enough.
That's true. That's true.
Never
There's still a
enough.
little bit left in there, but all right.
So you can see with the veal here, you can see that it's firming up a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of pepper and salt. And you want this to be nice and get a nice coating on with the oil on the veal. It'll be actually be more tender the more you cook it. Give it a nice coating on this.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the meantime, like I said, we're doing the veal, we're doing the eggplant sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of black olive to that. And a little bit of basil, which we've done already. And once this cooks up a little bit, we'll add some fresh peeled tomatoes. Make a nice eggplant sauce. We'll coat the veal here with the sauce. So we would just actually saute this up for about 3 or 4 minutes. Yeah. Get a nice coating. But being for TV, I've had some meat already.
Look at you.
Oh, wow.
So this is same. So we're just going to coat the veal with the sauce.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
That looks amazing.
And that all this is what we're doing there, cooked down.
Okay.
There's a little bit of red wine vinegar, just to combat the sweetness of the basil and the eggplant. And we're just gonna let this cook for a few minutes.
It sounds like a good time to take a break.
I think so.
Come back, finish it up, taste it. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back. It's a luxurious protein made with exquisite and authentic Italian ingredients. Of course, I'm describing the name of the game for Mamma Mia Monday. Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Roma is cooking up some veal Sorrento, which is in this pan right here.
That's correct.
Unveil it.
Unveil.
Ooh.
So I put some fresh mozzarella on top during the commercial break, and it's melted on top. And this is cooked down to what we have here. So now all we're gonna do is plate it.
Plate it.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Look at this.
And it smells amazing.
And if you would like to cut it, we have that.
Shall we?
Give it a try?
Yes, dig in.
Okay.
First of all, how were the holidays?
Holidays were great. I mean,
Yeah.
it was very busy. I'm kind of happy for the break now, a little low, but we're ready to ramp up here shortly. But we had our New Year's Eve 6-course meal, which went well, and we have another one come up in February for Valentine's Day.
Oh, nice. So any idea what's going to be on the menu for Valentine's?
Valentine's Day, I'm sure there'll be a little bit of lobster, a little bit of filet. Haven't got the full menu out yet, but I guess I need to
Okay.
organize
Just
it.
enough to tease us.
Yes.
Okay.
I imagine that one fills up fast. My mouth is watering.
Yeah.
I haven't even
I
tasted
cut you
it.
some extra pieces
Oh,
right there.
you cut me a piece.
I mean, if you want to just leave them and I'll eat it, that's okay with me.
You'd be okay with that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's good.
It's a little different, right? It's got a little bit of the eggplant flavor there, a little bit of the vinegar and the tomatoes.
Where
onions.
did you learn how to
My
cook?
father, I give it my homage to my father. I learned a lot. I absorbed a lot from watching my grandmother, his mother, my mother's mother cook when I was young. Never realized that I kind of
How much of it
absorbed
you've
it.
internalized.
And then when my father showed me when I was young, I kind of remembered it and took it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
it's
fantastic.
stuck, that's for
Yeah.
sure.
Joe, again, you have set the high bar, and I can't wait for you to come back again
So who
and
would
move
think,
it up even higher.
I appreciate it. Who would think the eggplant and veal would go together, right?
Right? Oh,
It's very, very good. Joe's La Roma, located in Fruitland, right on Route 13. Can't miss it.
That's right.
Give him a call or just stop by.
Say hi.
Thank you so much,
Appreciate
Joe.
it, guys. Thank you.